When survival is the only option, your gear must be as tough as you are. From cutting-edge tools to rugged essentials, these life-saving gadgets are built to conquer the wild. Whether braving the elements, staying powered off-grid, or securing your next meal, every item here is a game changer. Get ready to upgrade your survival kit with the ultimate must-have gear. When survival demands efficiency, the HELIKON-TEX water canteen pouch delivers rugged durability with a tactical edge. Designed to fit most standard military canteens, this pouch is built with high-quality Cordura fabric, offering extreme resistance to wear and tear. It features a secure flap with quick-release buckles, ensuring your water stays protected and within reach at all times. The MOLLE compatibility makes it easy to attach to your backpack or belt, keeping you mobile and prepared. This isn't just a pouch, it's a smart survival essential. The added side pockets provide extra storage for purification tablets, fire starters, or a compact multi-tool, making it an all-in-one hydration hub. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or preparing for emergency situations, this pouch ensures that your lifeline, water, remains secure, accessible, and ready to go. When nature turns unpredictable, the BEARHARD 3000mm waterproof camping tarp becomes your ultimate survival shield. With an insane 3000mm waterproof rating, this tarp is built to withstand torrential downpours, harsh winds, and blazing sun. Its ripstop fabric and reinforced edges ensure that no matter how brutal the elements get, this tarp won't let you down. Lightweight yet incredibly tough, it folds down compactly, making it an essential piece of gear for survivalists and outdoor adventurers alike. Versatility is where this tarp truly shines. Whether you need a rain shelter, ground cover, emergency hammock, or wind barrier, it adapts to every survival scenario. With multiple reinforced grommets and tie-out points, you can set up a reliable refuge in minutes. From jungle expeditions to mountain treks, this tarp is your first line of defense against the wilderness. Need raw cutting power in the wild? The SILKY OUTBACK series? Big Boy delivers precision and brute force in one beastly package. Engineered for survivalists, this foldable saw features a high-carbon steel blade with a black nickel tin coating, providing superior rust resistance and an ultra-sharp edge for effortless cutting. Whether you're slicing through thick logs for a fire or clearing a survival shelter, this saw rips through wood like a hot knife through butter. But what sets it apart? The ergonomic rubberized grip gives you maximum control, even in wet or cold conditions, ensuring every cut is smooth and efficient. Its compact, foldable design means you can stash it in your pack without taking up much space, yet when fully extended, it offers a long reach for tackling larger branches. Tough, reliable, and built for the toughest terrains, this is the saw that turns survival into an art form. The AIGEAR camping shovel tool set is the ultimate multi-purpose beast. This isn't just a shovel, it's a fully loaded survival kit in a sleek modular design. Built from ultra-tough carbon steel, it features a sharp reinforced edge for digging, chopping, and even self-defense. Plus, its adjustable handle lets you switch between multiple configurations, adapting to whatever challenge the wild throws at you. Hidden inside? A fire starter, emergency whistle, saw, screwdriver, and even a tactical knife. Everything you need to conquer the outdoors. Whether you're digging trenches, cutting firewood, or setting up camp, this tool is ready for action. Compact, durable, and designed for real-world survival, the AIGEAR shovel is the Swiss Army knife of outdoor tools. A must-have for every survivalist. Survival means keeping your vehicle alive, the NEBO power. Jump starters bring the juice. These compact, high-output jump starters pack enough power to revive dead batteries instantly, ensuring you're never stranded when it matters most. Designed for extreme conditions, they're water-resistant, shock-proof, and built with advanced safety features to prevent overcharging, reverse polarity, or accidental sparks. Beyond just jump-starting, this survival powerhouse doubles as a multi-function power hub, featuring USB ports for charging phones, flashlights, and emergency gear. A built-in ultra-bright LED flashlight with SOS and strobe modes means you're never left in the dark. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or facing a roadside emergency, the NEBO Power Jump Starter is your lifeline in a box. Compact, reliable, and built to save the day. When power is your lifeline, the NEBO RAMBLER 20K power bank ensures you stay connected, no matter where survival takes you. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, this rugged power bank can charge multiple devices simultaneously, keeping your GPS, flashlight, and survival gear powered in the most extreme conditions. It features fast-charging USB-C and USB-A ports, delivering rapid power when you need it most. Built for the wild, the RAMBLER 20K is impact-resistant, water-resistant, and adventure-ready, designed to withstand the roughest conditions. Its LED power indicator ensures you always know how much charge is left, while its lightweight, slim design makes it easy to pack without adding bulk. Whether you're on a multi-day survival trek preparing for an emergency, or just ensuring backup power for critical gear, this power bank is the ultimate off-grid energy source. Small but fiercely capable, the GERBER STOWE compact fixed blade knife is built for survivalists who demand durability in a minimalist design. Featuring a full-tang 7CR stainless steel blade, this knife delivers razor-sharp precision and extreme toughness in any survival scenario. Whether you're slicing cordage, processing firewood, or tackling bushcraft tasks, its drop-point blade provides unmatched versatility. The ergonomic handle with a textured grip ensures full control, even in wet conditions. Compact enough for everyday carry yet powerful enough for backcountry survival, the STOWE includes a leather sheath for quick access and safe storage. This knife isn't just a tool, it's a lifesaver in the wild, built to withstand the harshest environments while maintaining GERBER's legendary reliability. If you're looking for a compact, no-nonsense blade that can handle serious survival work, the STOWE is your go-to edge. Survival calls for fire. The LEXIVON wood-splitting axe delivers the raw power you need to keep warm, cook, and build shelter. Designed with a high-carbon steel blade, this axe is razor-sharp, ultra-tough, and designed for maximum efficiency, splitting logs with shockingly little effort. The heat-treated anti-corrosion finish ensures long-term durability, even in harsh outdoor conditions. What sets it apart? The fiberglass composite handle absorbs shock and provides a perfectly balanced grip, reducing fatigue while increasing control. Whether you're chopping logs at camp or stocking up firewood for survival, this precision-engineered axe makes splitting wood feel effortless and satisfying. Lightweight yet incredibly powerful, it's a must-have for any survivalist, bushcrafter, or off-grid explorer. The VALTCAN titanium kettle and flask takes center stage. Crafted from ultralight pure titanium, this sleek yet rugged set is built for the toughest environments. The kettle's design ensures rapid heat transfer, boiling water faster while remaining corrosion-resistant, making it ideal for purifying water or brewing a quick cup of survival-grade coffee. And the flask. It's your ultralight, unbreakable hydration companion, keeping liquids fresh and free from metallic aftertastes. Compact and designed for efficiency, this set is perfect for bushcraft, bug-out bags, or minimalist survival kits. Its foldable handle and space-saving design make packing effortless, while the titanium construction means it's virtually indestructible. Whether you're in the mountains, deep in the wilderness, or prepping for emergencies, this high-performance kettle and flask is built to keep you fueled, hydrated, and ready for anything. In a world where digital security is just as crucial as physical survival, the off-grid Faraday backpack is your ultimate stealth shield. Designed with military-grade Faraday technology, this backpack blocks cell signals, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi, RFID, and even EMP blasts, ensuring your gear and personal data stay invisible to outside threats. Its waterproof, rugged construction makes it ideal for both urban survivalists and hardcore adventurers who demand security without compromise. But it's not just about protection. It's a fully functional survival pack. With spacious compartments, heavy-duty zippers, and a reinforced tactical build, this bag is made to haul everything from tech devices to emergency supplies. Whether you're escaping a grid-down scenario, heading into the backcountry, or just need peace of mind against cyber threats, The off-grid Faraday backpack keeps you and your gear completely off the radar. Made from 80% premium virgin wool, this heavyweight blanket provides incredible insulation, even when wet, making it an absolute lifesaver in extreme conditions. The tightly woven fibers trap heat, ensuring maximum warmth while remaining breathable and moisture-wicking, keeping you comfortable in any environment. More than just a blanket, this is a versatile survival tool. Use it as an emergency shelter, ground cover, or even a poncho in freezing temperatures. Reinforced stitching and a military-style design make it ultra-durable, while its classic rugged look fits any adventure. Whether you're out in the wild, bugging out, or just prepping for unpredictable weather, the woolly mammoth wool blanket ensures survival with unmatched warmth and reliability. Survival is all about preparation, and with this next-level gear, you're ready to face anything nature throws your way. Stay sharp, stay equipped, and never get caught off guard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more epic survival gear updates.